Ciao guys, welcome back to my Whirlpool series showcasing my beautiful Whirlpool oven to my left here. So today, ricotta cheesecake. I've never made a cake on this channel before. So I'm gonna make a nice ricotta cheesecake for you today. Simple ingredients: sugar, ground almonds, eggs, lemon zest, butter, raisins or sultanas, and of course the ricotta cheese. So I want to showcase to you how good ricotta cheese can be. And the cheesecake is so moist and beautiful. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, so first things first, let's break our eggs. We need to separate our egg yolks with our egg whites. Okay, first guys, we're going to whip up our egg whites. Okay. Gonna make them nice and fluffy. Okay guys, so now we've creamed the butter and the sugar. And now we're gonna add in our egg yolk one by one, because if you add them in too fast, the egg and the butter will separate. So we're gonna add one by one and get them mixed in. Okay guys, so now we have creamed our butter and sugar and added in our egg yolks. Next is all the dry ingredients will just be combined into this mix. So very simple. All our ground almonds, pour it in. In it goes. Ricotta, in that goes. And no more whipping, just going to mix in with our spatula. So let's put that there. Let's crumb down our raisins, pour them in, sultanas, and lemon zest. So let's get all of the lemon zest in, give that beautiful flavor, zesty. And just combine. We're just going to combine everything together. We'll just mix it all up. And then once this is done, we will fold in our egg whites. So our egg whites is going to give it the airiness. Okay, so we haven't used any flour in this recipe, only the ground almonds, which is going to give us our substance. So just mix it all in. This is a very simple cake to make. The only little bit difficult part is the eggs adding into the butter. Just don't want to let them separate. The rest is very simple. Just combine your batter, and now we'll fold in our egg whites. Okay, so that's ready. I have my egg whites here. So let's just start by half of it first. Okay, I'm gonna add that in and fold. So I like to turn the bowl at the same time as folding in, so you don't lose your air. You incorporate it into the mix. Like so. Okay, let's get in some more. Let's put it all in. Okay. And take out the bowl. So just incorporate by folding over. You can do the figure 8, what we are told in school, going in and around. So I just want to fold in my sides more today. Just want to get it combined. I'm going to keep that air inside. It's going to give you a nice fluffy cake. Once we have it, we'll add it into our tin and we will bake. Okay, so I don't want to over fold. Just combine it enough and stop folding. Do not keep on going. Okay. Okay guys, so cake mix is all done. Straight into our cake tin, which I've just buttered. And this is an 8-inch cake tin. So we're just gonna pour in everything here. Yep. Okay. Then we'll just level it out. And that's it. We put it into our oven. A beautiful ricotta cheesecake. It's gonna become a very moist sponge. Just make it go flat. ready. Okay guys, let's go. Let's put it into our oven. Today we are going to use this 6 cents function. So let me switch that on. We're gonna go 6 cents. Just hold on 1 second. Okay, we don't want lasagna. We will want sponge and cakes. There we go. We're gonna press yes, sponge cake. So how many grams do I need to put it? Just 900 grams. That is perfect for this cake. End time. It's already there. Everything is going to be pre-done. Whirlpool 6 cents automatically adjusts temperature, moisture levels, cooking time to ensure the cake is cooked perfectly without constantly monitoring. All right, let's look at this beautiful cake. Look at that sponge. Perfection. Wow, that 6 cents really did work very, very, very well. It's the first time I'm using it for baking a cake, and it absolutely came perfect. Look at it. So we're just gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna dust it with icing sugar. And let's cut it open and see how good it is inside. Can't wait. Delicious. Beautiful. What a sponge that is. Beautiful ricotta cheesecake. There you are guys. We have cooked this beautiful ricotta cheesecake. And to be honest with you, this is the first time I'm using the oven, using this cake mix and using the 6 cents function. And to be honest with you, it is absolutely perfect. It came perfectly golden brown. I didn't have to move the cake around. Sometimes you need to turn cakes in the ovens because it's uneven. But the sides are perfectly harmonious. They are all the same color and the top is evenly browned. So I can say that honestly, yes, the 6 cents worked perfectly. And the Whirlpool oven is absolutely fantastic. And I'm so happy that I have this oven because I'm going to be doing so much more content with it. I'll see you soon, guys. Ciao.